Alright guys, if you want to test and see if your thermostat is even still good or not, first thing you gotta do is boil up some water. In my case, I want to get up to 180 degrees. This thing was freaking focused all for me. That's great. But yeah, if you I need to bring this up to 180 degrees. Oh, here we go. So I'll be back when this reads 180. Well, stay steady at 180. Alright, so now the temperature is slowly going up. Yeah. Good. I'm going to adjust to the heat until it hits stay steady at 180. Then we're going to drop this in and see what happens. We hit about 160, so I'm going to drop this in. See what happens. I'll be back once it hits about 175. Alright, so we're at about 174 degrees now. When it hits 180, then that should open up, which will allow more fluid going into the engine block. I want to see if this is a faulty one or not. Okay, we hit 180. Now, normally it would do something, so go up to 186. We're up to 190 now. Looks like it's starting to open as we at 192. Uh, 196. And it's starting to open now, so. So it finally fully opened at around 200 degrees. It's at 206. So that means it's it is starting to stick a little bit. So I'm going to turn this off. Don't need this anymore. So it started opening at around 192 instead of 180, because that's where it should be opening at. So go ahead and run some cool water to it. And now it's fully closed again, so yeah, that's how you test your thermostat. Thank you guys for watching.